What is the most important thing to you? When you're getting divorced, what the most important thing to you is might be different from someone else. And it might be different than legal principles. It might be different than your lawyer. But really, what's most important to you is the most important thing to you. And it should be the most important thing to your lawyer. I think that when people are getting divorced, they have a people problem with a legal consequence, not a legal problem. But lawyers, well, we all tend to turn that around and make it a legal problem. And that can feel really, well, it can feel really scary and disorienting. And it can be really hard to figure out which side is up and which side should be up. So one of the ways that we work with our clients here is right from the very beginning to think about what's the most important thing and to derive our strategy for the legal case, for the negotiation around that thing that's most important. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean we tell the other side what it is right away, but we know what it is with you, and we check it periodically to make sure that it's still the same thing. I know that when I was getting divorced, what I thought was the most important thing when I came into my divorce negotiation changed over time. The way that I saw the parenting agreement and the parenting plan and what was most crucial for my children, who were my priority, well, that evolved as I saw how the divorce was impacting them. And I changed my mind, and I was able to adapt my strategy along with my observation of what was happening for my kids and happening for myself. So if you would like the opportunity to talk with us about what's most important to you and how best to get that, book a free consultation at the link below. I think it will really help you get straight on what makes sense and not be hijacked and terrified by the legal process. Thanks for listening.